Norman parang nag-iisip na. Should I skip you first, Norman?
It's really hard because I was during the break I was telling Jason I'll do it by continent, but no, that would be unfair because in Asia alone I would root for Maxine, Miss Philippines, and Miss Indonesia, Kesha Waro, because they are politically correct winners. I'm even using politically correct winners because they can really strengthen the brand of Miss Universe even more.
And not to mention Thailand.
Yeah, and there's even Thailand Charita Swanson who checked in at Conrad Hotel with 17 luggages. Okay, so 17. So can I make it 6? I'll make it 6. I'll add Colombia, Venezuela, and
because I was
Brazil.
thinking if you were a judge, I can't give you 6, so I really have to limit you to 5.
I'll add. I like Colombia, but I'll go for Venezuela and Brazil. Brazil is, oh my God, she's so flawless. She's so flawless.